Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. It came about. I've got this Porsche 996 with the extra door lock problem. Customer was trying to lock the car up from the outside here. Just keeps spinning here, so everything's back together now. A lot of stuff to muck around. Very hard to get to because there's no room, but finally got it done, so I'm going to show you what I mean. So now I've got spring tension now. See, things working now. You hear the alarm working, so it's working. Before it wasn't working, like the key was just spinning like on a circle, but there's no tension. You can see there's tension there. So everything's back together, all together here. See there? Alright. Now I'm going to put everything back together here and then have a look at the alarm and the rest of this roof here. There's a lot of switches to check. It looks like to me at the moment that the computer is not communicating with any of the actual my computer, my scan tool. I cannot communicate with the actual ECU, which is that one there. No communication fault. But at the same time, I have to check the plugs, power, earth, signal, switches must be checked, especially earth as well. That has to be checked properly before I get a ECU, a new ECU from the second hand. Probably get a second hand, and then we'll go from there. But everything must be tested properly before you condemn anything. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.